Welcome back to another video. If you are new to the channel, I am Rio, and today I have something very special and exciting for you guys. Now this video is going to be a little bit different than my normal videos. Today's video is going to be all about an accessory. This video is sponsored by Bose, and I am extremely excited to show you guys this product and share it with you. Now, I haven't actually seen the product yet, but I'm going to be unboxing it with you right now. All right, so here we go. Here is the box. As I mentioned, I haven't actually seen the product yet. I know what it is, but of course I haven't held it, I haven't seen it. So I'm very excited to share it with you. So we have the box and let's hop into it. So I have my trusty box cutter here. As always, be safe, don't play with knives, and be careful. Let's hop into it. I don't know why I'm nervous for this one, but I am. I'm very excited to see the product that's in here. But anyway, let's do it. So we have a slit there. Cut away from yourself, not towards yourself. And let's see here. So I'm having a little bit of troubles here. For some reason this side is giving me some troubles. There we go. All right, we got the box open. Let's see what's inside. Okay. And look at that. We got paper, let's toss this to the side. Let's get it out. Make sure there's nothing in here that I'm forgetting. All right, so there's paper. This is the box, and I bet you guys are eager to know what's inside here. Of course, as you can see, the box says Bose. There's a look at that from the front view. Very, very excited about this. Boom. The flap here says Bose frames. Turn down the sun, turn up the sound. Get back to doing what you do. Wear it, hear it, feel it. All you have to do is put them on. Okay, where do I begin? Wow. So we have the actual sunglasses here, and then we have some, I believe, additional lenses. Looks like we also have a nice bucket hat. I've been feeling buckets, especially this summer. Excited to have that in there. We have a Bose cup. Nice. I can put my tea in here. I'm an avid tea drinker for those of you that didn't know. And in here we have something here. Unseen sunscreen, SPF 40. I like this. Of course, the frames is the center of this. So let's open this up. So we have a pull tab here. Ooh, let's see. Ooh, okay, we got a nice case. What else is in here? Look, we have a USB cable. Maybe these are used to charge. Looks like we also have a cleaning cloth as well. Very nice. You can see that. Let's look at the sunglasses. Oh, there we go. Okay. These are nice. These are super nice. I'm about to geek out a little bit. About to be a big kid and go play with these sunglasses. I'll be back with you guys in a moment. These are the Bose audio frames in the Tenor model. There are also two other models, which are the Soprano and the Tempo. The Soprano is more of a feminine shape, and then the Tempo is more of a sporty frame. All are going to be audio sunglasses with polarized lenses that produce high quality audio. All of the frames are prescription ready and feature interchangeable lenses. Getting started. The setup was fairly easy. First, you power on the frames using the main control button on the right temple. Then you simply scan the QR code located in the booklet. Of course, once you do that, you'll be taken to your App Store or Google Play Store, where you would download the Bose music app. They are Bluetooth audio frames, so you'll need to give Bluetooth access, of course. Then you'll simply create an account if you don't already have one. You'll have the option to turn on post notifications if you want to, which I did. To get the frames connected, you'll hit the plus sign to set up a new product. For these frames, of course, you'll choose headphones and frames. Make sure your frames are powered on within 30 feet of your device, which in my case was my phone. Select your product, which for me, of course, was the Bose Frames Tenor, and pair it to your device's Bluetooth. From there, they're fully connected and I was good to go. I'm still pretty fresh with them, but the usage seems fairly easy. The button on the side here, you press it, that turns it on, more of like a hold. As soon as it turns on, tells me where the battery is at, which is at 100%. Thought it was still talking. When I got them, they were at 30, so I had to charge them up, which didn't really take long at all. So now that they're on, of course you would put them on, and then this one button on the side has different functionalities. Press and hold that button, turn it on, press and hold it again to turn it off. Another way to power off is to simply flip the frames over, which disconnects it, and that literally just happened on my phone once I did that. I thought that was pretty cool. So take them off, turn them over, and it turns it off for you. That is so dope. So for music, here on the app, there is product tips, which takes you through all the things that this one button can do through its functionality. To play and pause music, you press the button on the right tempo once to play or pause the audio. So if you're listening to music, listening to an audiobook, whatever the case may be, you'll press that button once to play it and once to pause it. If you are wanting to answer a phone call, it is as simple as pressing the button once to answer the phone call and pressing the button again to end the phone call. I did mess up the controls a couple times. Instead of pressing it once to answer the phone call, I double clicked, which declined the phone call. So if you want to ignore a phone call while wearing these frames, double click that button and then it ignores the call for you. The other product tip that it features is how to switch out your lenses if you wanted to change those. For me, I usually keep things pretty true and OG, so I'll be leaving in these polarized lenses as I just love the look of it. If you're interested in grabbing you a pair, all the information will be down below in the description section, whether that's the tenor model, whether it's the soprano or the tempos. You'll find everything you need to know down below in the description section. Drop a comment down below letting me know what you think about these Bose frames. I'm gonna be taking these frames outside to enjoy a nice summer day. But before I get out of here, I wanna say thank you once again to Bose for sponsoring this video, sending over these very dope audio sunglasses for me to enjoy. Thank you guys for watching. If you are new to the channel, subscribe, turn on your post notifications so you'll be notified whenever I drop a new video. Follow me over on Instagram if you aren't already for fashion and style inspiration. Thanks again for watching. Thanks again to Bose sponsoring this video, and I'm gonna catch you guys on the next one. Stay tuned for me taking these outside. Catch you guys in the next video. Peace.